Hi, Anna.
Hi, Max.
I am in my room.
I am here too.
Look at my desk. I see books.
I see a pencil. It looks shiny.
I pick up the pencil.
It is very bright.
It feels warm.
That is strange.
Is it magic?
Maybe.
Let's try it.
Yes, let's try.
What should I draw?
Draw an apple.
Okay, I draw an apple. Draw slowly. I finished the apple. Wait, what is that? The apple is real.
Wow, amazing.
This pencil is magic.
Yes, it is magic.
I am so happy.
Me too. I am hungry now.
Do you want food?
Yes, I want a cookie.
Okay. I draw a cookie.
Make it big.
Okay, a big cookie.
Yeah.
Pop! The cookie is here!
Yay!
Eat it.
It is delicious.
Let's draw a flower.
Yes, a pretty flower.
I draw a flower.
It is beautiful.
The flower is real.
I smell it.
It smells nice.
I love it.
Let's draw a toy.
Drawer.
Okay, a toy car.
Great.
Pop! The car is real.
Wow, so cool.
It can move.
Let me try.
This is so fun.
Yes, but be careful.
Why?
Magic can be dangerous.
I want to draw a dinosaur.
No, Max.
Just a small one.
Still no.
Okay, maybe a tiny one.
Max, stop!
I draw it fast. Oh no. A dinosaur!
It is real.
It is big!
Run!
The dinosaur is loud!
It is scary.
What do we do?
Think fast.
Draw a cage. Yes, a strong cage. Draw quickly.
I draw it now.
Pop! The cage is here.
The dinosaur is inside.
We are safe.
Good job.
I am sorry, Anna.
It's okay.
I made a mistake.
Learn from it.
Let's use magic for good.
Yes, good ideas only.
What should we draw?
School things.
I draw a book.
Nice.
I draw more books.
Great.
Pop! Many books.
I love books.
Kids can read them.
Yes. Draw pencils too.
Okay.
Draw erasers.
Great idea. I draw pencils.
I see them.
I draw erasers.
Perfect. Now we have supplies. Let's help kids. Yes, let's go.
We go to school.
We walk together,
The bag is heavy.
but we are happy. We see the classroom. The kids are here.
They look surprised. They smile. Hello, kids. We have gifts. Books for you.
Pencils for you.
The kids say thank you.
They are very happy.
I feel good.
Me too. Let's draw more. Yes, but small things.
Okay, small things.
Good.
I draw a lunchbox.
Nice.
I draw water bottles.
Great. Lunchboxes. Water bottles!
This is helpful.
Yes, very helpful. The teacher is coming.
Oh no!
Hide the magic pencil.
Okay!
Be quiet.
I put it in my pocket. I am quiet.
Good.
School is finished.
Now we go home.
The pencil is safe.
Good.
At home, we talk.
The magic pencil is powerful.
We must use it wisely.
Yes, always.
Let's make rules.
Good idea.
Rule 1. No scary animals.
Yes!
Rule 2. Draw small things.
Yes, small and safe.
Rule 3. Help people.
Perfect.
Rule 4. Share.
Share the good things.
Not the dangerous things.
Exactly.
Let's test one more time.
Okay, but be careful.
I will draw a bandage.
Great idea.
I draw a bandage.
Pop, it is real.
This can help people.
Yes. Draw a teddy bear.
A teddy bear is safe.
Yes, kids love it. Okay.
I draw a teddy bear.
Pop, so cute.
I want one too.
Me too. Let's hug them. Yay!
Let's draw a ball.
A ball is fun.
I draw a ball.
Yay!
Pop, the ball is here.
Let's play.
We bounce the ball. This is a great day.
Yes, a magic day.
But we must be careful.
Always.
The pencil is tired.
What do you mean?
It is not shiny now.
Oh no! Maybe it needs rest.
Like us.
Yes, like sleep.
Good idea. Let's put it in a box.
A safe box.
I close the box.
Good.
We can use it tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow.
For good things only.
Yes! I feel sleepy. Me too.
Let's read a book.
Great!
We read quietly.
The room is calm.
I feel happy.
I feel safe.
Anna, thank you.
For what?
For helping me.
You're welcome.
We learned a lesson.
Yes, magic is powerful.
We must be kind.
We must be careful.
Good night, Anna.
Good night, Max.
See you tomorrow.
See you!
Thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed the story.
Like and subscribe.
Bye-bye!